The 2025 housing market has flipped the script. Home builders are begging, sellers are stalling, and buyers are frozen. But the smart ones, they're striking now, while everyone else is hesitating. Don't get me wrong, this isn't a crash, it's a calculated reset. You need to get strategic. Buyers, if you've been sidelined, now is your moment. Builders are throwing lifelines. We're talking rate buydowns, closing credits, and thousands in upgrades. Nationally, 57% of new home communities are offering serious incentives because inventory for new builds is sitting at 9.8 months. That's not a red flag, it's a neon green light to negotiate killer terms in your favor. But don't walk into a builder's office without representation. Their salespeople work for the builder, not for you. And you need someone who knows how to fight for your money. So have an experienced local agent by your side. And sellers, don't hit the panic button. We're in a Goldilocks market. Not too hot, not too cold. But you'd better show up right. That means flawless marketing, clean staging, and priced right. Whether you're buying, selling, or you're just trying to make sense of the noise, you need a local pro who's played this game before and won. I'm Shannon Comstock with RE/MAX Gold. With over 11 years of market experience, I help you win in any market. Leave a comment and let me know your thoughts on today's housing market.